Okay, now that we have all the bolts put in, all the clamps that hold the windshield to the roll cage, we've got it setting. We've got the windshield setting on top of the console on the front side, and then on the inside of the console, you can see how we've placed the console where it'll just rest on the just inside the edge of the dash area, covering up these ratchet fasteners. Once you have everything pushed into place, you want to go ahead and tighten your windshield clamps down the rest of the way, and be sure to leave it loose off of the console. So do not put the screws in the bottom of the windshield yet that fasten it to the console. And then after you tighten those down, you'll want to locate your hole on the edge of your console here. And that's a 1/4 inch drill bit, and basically really what locates that hole is the console itself. So once you have it set in place, you want to drill a hole straight through the hood, and then we'll talk about the hardware that holds the console down to the dash itself. Okay, and as you can see here, we've drilled our hole and used a 1/4 20 by 1 inch button head with a nylock nut on the underside. On the passenger side, you can use the glove box area to use a wrench and tighten that down. On the driver's side, there's a cubby hole over there you can stick a wrench in to tighten it down. Once those are tightened all the way down, you want to move to the windshield and drill pilot holes where the 4 screws are inserted to the console. Another thing we need to touch on is you want to make sure that these rubber stick-on bumpers are installed around the roll cage to keep any kind of vibration noise from occurring. Okay, now we're going to talk about how to install a top on an MTV. The top will be supplied with 4 clamps, and you want to place them on the rear, here and here, with the ears facing forward. And on the front, this unit has a stereo installed, so it's going to look a little different, but they're still on the front hoop facing to the rear. And once those are installed, you just want to set the top down on the clamps and put your 1/4 20s, 1/4 20 button heads with your flat washers on, and tighten it down. Basically place the top just like so.